Hello everybody. My name is Ruchira and I am the designer behind FunLurn. Welcome to this live stream. So I just finished doing another live stream around 30 minutes ago wherein I showed how to do hot foiling with my Cricut Joy machine. Okay, and this was the result of that video. And in that video, people asked me, "Can you tell us more about this tool?" So I thought, okay, I'll make a detailed video. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'll make a detailed video on this tool, which is WRMK Foil Quill, and I will be foiling another project on my Cricut Maker right after that. So first of all, let me tell you that anything that you use with your Cricut machine that is not Cricut branded, if you're using it, then there's a chance you can void your warranty. So do not do that unless your machines are out of warranty. Having said that, this tool is something that I have used since 2017 with consistent results, and I can vouch for it that it will give you consistent results if you know how to use it in the right way. Okay, so let me just check if I have people on my live stream who are having any questions. I will be ready to answer them. And okay, so this is a foil transfer tool that is not Cricut branded. Cricut has a foil transfer tool which is this, and this is a pressure foil transfer system. Okay, that means it exerts pressure on the foil that transfers the foil to the paper. Okay, similarly we have a similar tool for Cricut Joy. Both these tools are foil transfer tools which transfer foil based on pressure. Okay, what we are talking about today is this one, which transfers foil onto your paper or any other material by applying heat. So this is a heat-based foil transfer system. Now this one has three tips: the bold tip, the medium tip, and the fine foil tip. This is the tape that we use to stick the foil in place on the paper before we keep it on the before we send it to the machine. And these are the different adapters. So there are four adapters. There's one for Silhouette, one for Brother, one for Cricut, and another one for another machine. So the C adapter is for the Cricut machines. Okay, and it also comes with different foils. I'll just open and show. So this is my spare set. I got two because in case my previous one failed or broke down, because I was doing a lot of foiling at one time. Okay, so fine tip, medium tip, bold tip, these are the extra foils that you get. And there are two more adapters in the back over here, B, and the C one I'm already using with my machines. Okay, so that's it. And these are all tools that you need to power up, because these are heat pens which need to be heated up before you use it on your machines. Okay, so this is the VR Memory Keeper's Foil Quill, and it might or might not be available in your country. It is not available in my country, which is India. So I have got it from the States, and it has worked very nicely for me. I can actually go ahead and say I have had better results with this tool than I have had with the foil transfer tool. So there's that. Keep it away. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. There are no questions for now. Okay, so we will just go ahead and go to Cricut Design Space. And today I'm thinking I'll be foiling this. Okay, this is You Are a True Gem. This design is a single line design. Now, single line designs can be easily drawn on, can be easily foiled, can be easily engraved, can be easily used with the infusible ink pens. So what I've done is I'll just cut it for now. We'll go to my stuff. I already have a project set up. Okay, in that project I have, let me check, shared projects, and actually have a setup that you can use for this. Oh, it's the same design. That's awesome. So what I've done is, in this project, I'll just customize and show you. place. Now, over here, attached is, I'll just change my machine to Cricut Maker 3, which is what I'll be using today. Now there's a teeny tiny piece over here, 0.01 inches by 0.01 inches. This piece I have set to fine foil in operation. And this is just so that the machine pauses in between so that I can take the foil off. Because currently, there's no way that I can pause the Cricut operations so that I can do something else. Now, since I will be using a foil on top of my paper, I would like to remove it before it cuts it. So that is why I have added this 0.01 by 0.01 fine foil operation, which will be done along with the regular pen operation that I will be using with my Cricut machine to draw on the foil with the heat pen. Okay, it might not make sense right now, but it will when I will actually be showing it to you. So over here in the group, I have this design which I have set to pen. The color does not matter because in the place of the pen, I will be using in the pen adapter the WRMK Foil Quill tool. Okay, and this is the basic cut part which will be cut around the drawn or the foiled area. This is going to be 3 by 4.18 inches and that should be fine. I'm going to select everything and it's already attached. My Maker 3 is selected. I'm going to click Make and that is the position. I can actually position it a bit lower. I'll just position it over here because my Cricut mats are very much like the tack is gone on the left top corner because I have used it very often. So I'll just move it to this side and I'll click Continue and select the device to be my Maker 3. Oh, not Bluetooth. It isn't even on. So I'm going to turn on my Cricut Maker machine and it will try to find my Maker machine via Bluetooth, but it will not be able to because this machine is not connected right now. I have another machine connected which is not connected via Bluetooth. So I'll just click Cancel. Okay, click Continue. And let me see if anybody has any questions. Okay, so the one who has just joined was the one who asked me the question about the WRMK Foil Quill tool. I have just covered the details about the entire tool in the beginning of this video. So if you have missed out, you can watch the replay again, okay? But if you have any questions, you can go ahead and ask them. I'll be happy to answer. Next, I'm going to select my device, which is Maker 3 via USB. Make sure your machine is not in warranty because if your machine is under warranty, then you might, you have a chance to lose the warranty if you use a tool that is not Cricut brand. Okay, so next I'll choose the pressure to be more. That is just for the cutting part. Okay, and next I will show you how I prepare my mat. So I'll take you to the table. I just did this project the other day, so just remove the material from the mat and I'm going to place the sheet of paper right over here. What I found is dark colored cardstock works best when it comes to foiling. Okay, so I'll be using this one. And since the entire thing will be going in, and if this comes off, it's going to get my Cricut jammed. So I'm just going to make sure the entire thing is properly braid onto the mat really nicely. I'm just going to put this one. I should have actually trimmed it so that it does not interfere with the rollers or the... Okay. So now I need to put my foil over here. I can go with silver foil on this. It will look very nice. Or I can even go with the gold one. That will also look nice. But today I'll go with silver. I'll just choose one foil. Make sure it's just a single foil because these foils are very thin. Unlike the Cricut brand transfer foils because those are pressure based foils. I'm going to keep it like this. I can use previously used pieces of tape, or I can pull some new ones, but I like to use the older ones. Reusing is great, saves us time, saves us material, and it also saves the environment. So I reuse a lot of my tape. I just stick it somewhere and keep it for the next use. All reused tape. You can see some foil. There's already some foil on it. There, just ready. And I'll keep it over here. Take it to the machine and let me check if you're able to see it. Yes, you're able to see it. If anybody has any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Okay, so over here, what you have is an already existing pen adapter, okay? What you have is this thing already inside. What you need to do is you need to remove this. So I'll just hold the clamp and using my these two fingers, just going to push this thing out, and it comes off very easily. You see, it has a shape that compresses, form a smaller shape, smaller form, so it comes. Next, I'm going to use this. Okay, this is the WRMK Keeper's Foil Quill. It's a heat pen that is currently getting heated. Okay, and this is the C adapter that goes with any Cricut foil transfer, any WRMK Keeper's foil quill. So I'll just insert it and rotate. There, ready. I'm going to insert it, and once I do that, I'm going to close the clamp. And now it's ready to foil. So before that, I will take you to design space. There the instructions are: load the pen, load the foil transfer tool that we're not using. We're just using it to trick it so that it pauses in between for us to remove the foil. And then that's it, we're done. Taking you back to the machine. Over here, I'm going to insert. Goes in, it checks, everything is fine. It has the play button blinking. That means it is ready to write. So you press the go button. And here it has started foiling. I'll just check if anybody has any questions while it does the foiling. Sushma has joined. Hello Sushma, we are doing hot foiling with our Cricut Maker machine today. And this is a not non-Cricut brand tool, but it does amazing foiling with amazing results every single time. I have just finished using the same tool on Cricut Joy machine today morning because I missed a couple of videos, so I'm making a couple of videos today. So this is what we did today morning with Cricut Joy machine, and it is still morning. And we're doing it with the Cricut Maker machine now. So once it does that, all the work of foiling, which it is doing under the operation of pen, it will pause for me to set up the foil, because it thinks that, okay, there, it has now stopped, and it wants me to remove the foil. Actually, it wants me to add the foil, but I'm going to remove the foil right now. And we'll remove this tool also. Let it cool down. And I should have removed the, I'll just pause, 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 pause. It doesn't even listen to me. I don't know what is the matter. Whenever I press pause, it doesn't pause. Anyways, the blade is right there. I'm going to cut it next. Before taking it out, I should check if it has cut through. It has cut through in most places. You're fine. Take it out of the machine, bring it to the table, turn the mat over, curl the mat, and remove the project. And there we have it. You are a true gem. I actually placed it a little bit higher than usual, so some part is not transferred. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the result. We did two things today, one with the Cricut Joy Machine and one with the Cricut Maker. Both using the VR Memory Keeper's Foil Quill. This is an off-brand tool, not endorsed by Cricut. So if your machine is under warranty, do not try this. That's it for today. If you have any questions at all, drop them down. I'll be answering them. Moreover, I'm doing an entire series. Today is the 21st video that I just did. I have done a lot of other videos covering most of the Cricut tools, and the two machines that I have my hands on, one is Cricut Maker and the other one is my Cricut Joy machine. And I have been crafting for a long time using these machines. I also happen to be a Cricut contributing artist. I create my own SVG files. There are a lot of freebies in my freebie library. I will link it up all down in the description of this video so that you can access it all. You have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.